बट यू नो थोड़ा बहुत मूव करो, डांस करो, बहुत अच्छा डांस, एंजॉय एंजॉय योरसेल्फ, इट गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. ऑलराइट, रेडी?
Yes.
Just let me know if you don't hear the music, huh? Warm up.
जब से मेरे दिल
Just
को
shoulder.
तुझ पे मरना आ गया, सबको चेहरे पड़ना आ गया,
Shoulder back.
सबको इस शहर में चेहरे पड़ना आ गया, जब से मेरे दिल को तुझ पे मरना आ गया, तो आ भी जा, ना ना नजरे चुरा, ये सहारा भी देखे जरा, जब से मेरे दिल को तुझ पे मरना आ गया, सबको चेहरे पड़ना आ गया, सबको इस शहर में चेहरे पड़ना आ गया,
Side to
जब
side.
से मेरे दिल को तुझ पे मरना आ गया, तो आ भी जा, ना ना नजरे चुरा, ये सहारा भी देखे जरा, जब से मेरे दिल को
Switch. Last one. Front. Arms back. Back.
अरे रे 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 खुल्लम खुल्ला मुस्कुरा, जुल्फ झटक के आ जरा, मैं ही मैं हूँ और बस तुमको,
Flash to time.
चुप अब नहीं, चुप 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 अब नहीं,
Last one.
छिड़ने दो आँखों के गुफ्तगू, ख्वाब मुझको यकीन अब करना आ गया, सबको इस शहर में चेहरे पड़ना आ गया,
Side to side.
आ भी जा, ना ना नजरे चुरा, ये सवारा भी देखे जरा, जब से मेरे दिल को
And switch. Good feet apart. Arm up, touch your knee. Switch.
सीखा है तहज़ीब है, आज शर्म भी कोई चीज़ है, नज़रें झुकाई दी है बस यही नखरे हैं तेरे, होश उड़ाते हैं मेरे, मेरी नहीं है इसमें कुछ खता, प्यार कर दिया तो फिर क्यों डरना आ गया, सबको इस शहर में जहरे पड़ना आ गया, आ भी जा, ना ना नजरे चुरा, ये सहारा भी देखे जरा, जब से मेरे दिल को तुझ पे मरना आ गया, सबको चेहरे पड़ना आ गया, सबको इस शहर में चेहरे पड़ना आ गया, जब से मेरे दिल को तुझ पे मरना आ गया, आ भी जा, ना ना नजरे चुरा, ये सहारा भी देखे जरा, आ भी जा, ना ना नजरे चुरा, ये सहारा भी देखे जरा, जब से मेरे
How is everyone doing?
Very good. Good.
Good. All right. So let's get ready for the next song. Next song we are going to do is just walking. Okay. So
Namaste.
basically, what we are going to do, let me tell you, depending on your ability to do it, arms and feet both. So if you don't want to walk, you're sitting, just move your arms. We are just going to get our heart rate nice and up. Yeah, cardio exercise. But if you can do both, good. You know, we are just going to walk on the spot, but pretend that we are walking in a garden. So like this. 1, 2, 3. You can go slow. Then we are going to walk to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk on the spot. If you can walk back, then walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk on the spot. Front 2, 3, 4. Walk on the spot. Back 2, 3, 4. Walk on the spot. Side. Touch. Side. Touch. Side. Touch. Side. While doing this, we are taking our arms to the side too. Okay, so you're going to the right side, you're taking your arms to the left. Touch. Touch. Yeah? Good? Alright? And eventually, if you can, go a little faster. So we are just going to repeat the same thing over and over and over again to get your heart rate nice and up. Cool? Alright, go with your own speed, okay? No need to rush.
नमस्ते बहनों और भाइयों, बड़े ही कम शब्दों में आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ उस साल का लोकप्रिय गीत ये
Get your knees ready.
सलाम ले जाता हुआ उड़न खटोला और बीन बजाती हुई नागिन।
If you can double it, you can do this. People who can double it, that's fine. Otherwise, halfway. Halfway. Walk to the front. Walk on the spot. Walk to the back. Slow. 1, 2, 3. Faster. Nice.
बजाती हुई नागिन।
Walk faster, faster. Arms, arms, arms. Good. Good. Nice.
वो बदल
That's
गया।
slow. 1,
ना बेबी कोई भी शंका तेरे प्यार का बता दो डंका तेरे मेरे बीच में जो कोई भी आया उसकी लगा दो लंका छोड़ छाड़ के दुनियादारी बस तेरे पीछे पड़ गया मैं सपनों में तो ऑलरेडी घोड़ी वोड़ी चढ़ गया मैं मुझको बेबी लकी करती बात हमारी पक्की करती इतना क्या सोचे मुझे हाँ बोल के काम को नक्की कर
alright. People who want to double it. You can double it. Otherwise, keep it single. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Swing, swing. Nice.
ऊपर चढ़े
To the front.
नीचे उतरे।
Faster. Yay. Walk back slow. Faster. Go, go, go. Up, up. Nice. Side to side.
enjoy it.
Good. All right, go get some water and let's get dancing. All ready for dancing? Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Let's go. Get some water. Yeah. Once everyone gets water, everyone is doing good.
Yes.
Just show me thumbs up. I can see you all. Perfect. So this song, this song, what we are going to do is,
Himani, can you send me the recording, please?
oh yeah. Auntie, someone is recording.
Yes. Yeah. I'm recording it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you send me?
Yes.
It's my name is Deepa.
Yeah.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay, thank you.
So what we are going to do in this song, we are going to swim. I know we don't have the privilege of going out and swim anymore, but we are going to swim indoors. So all the moves for this song, let me introduce you to different strokes, right? So we are going to do breaststroke, 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 both sides. So shoulder blades touching each other, nice and out. Good work for arms. Yeah. Backstroke. Up, up, up. Turn your pinky in the back and down, down, down. So when it's going up, pinky is in the front. You turn it back. So you're going to make your biceps and triceps work. Up and back and up and back and up and back. Very controlled move. Don't let it, put your mind into the workout. Otherwise, you'll hurt yourself. Okay. Just think and do the move. Yeah. Freestyle. 1, 2, working our shoulders. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And butterfly. Both arms. Both arms. Good. All ready to swim? We are going to swim in the garden. Okay. To your knees. Walk, walk slowly. Rest up. is everyone feeling? Fresh?
Yes.
All
Very
right.
nice.
Very nice. Get some water, get some water. We just have to make sure our heart rate is nice and normal. Okay, we don't want to take it too high up. Yes, let's go. Next one. Get some water, get some water. Then let's get ready.
Hmm?
This one. Yeah. In this one, again, it's dancing, but at the same time, we are getting some more work done. So we are going to dribble the basketball. Dribble, 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 strong arm, dribble, dribble, dribble. Basket. We made it basket. We made it basket and basket. Good? Yeah?
Yes.
So we're just going to play basketball in this song. Yeah, with the dancing. Let's go.
ऐसी क्या चली हवा कि ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर
Oi.
तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा कैसे ये हुआ मगर न है मुझे न तुझको कोई खबर
Oi.
और ये दिल अब से है कहने लगा तू मेरी मैं तेरा होने लगा
Nice. Push. Eastern.
न जानू मैं न जाने तू हुआ ये जादू कैसे जो मेरा था वो खो गया जो तेरा मिल गया वो जैसे इस दिल ने जब जाना के बस तू होने लगा
All right. Strong arm, strong. Good control, control. Start with it. All right, dribble. Switch. You can lift your heels up. Nice. Up, up. Three. Slow down. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 6. 1. 3. 4. 5.
ऐसी क्या चली हवा कि ले गई मेरी सांसों को मुझसे दूर
Point.
तेरे पास और मुझे हुआ एहसास
Eastern. Jump rope. Pretend you're jump rope. Nice. How was it? All right?
Very good.
Good, good. All right. Again, just let's go get some water.
Good.
Good. That's good. Okay, get some water. And you know what? What you can do is if you don't want to jump at any point, just lift your heels up. Can you see me? Lift your heels up. You don't have to go like that. You can just jump like this. So slowly bring your heels up. And I tell you to jump. If you can manage, this is good enough. Yeah? Good? And if it's too hard, just do one leg at a time. Take it easy. Take it easy. All right. Next song which we are going to do, you have done it before. So we are going to do the uh, song where we do Kathak and Bharatanatyam. Remember the mudras? Yeah? Every time, remember one thing. You're performing on stage, okay? So you have to look all beautiful. Smile. Yes. Yes. And remember, I'm watching you, so you have an audience. So just go for it. So, one, two. Make sure you bring your shoulders up and elbows up because we have to remember that we are working out too. Yeah? Good? Nice. Then when you're taking in the front, control, bring it back. Control. From your waist, you are going to twist a little bit, not too much. Okay? Like this. We are giving a nice twist to our waist. Yeah? This is then down and up, down and up. Just small movement of your wrist. Yeah? Very soft, small move, which is very helpful though. Yeah? So down, up. Good. When we are doing Kathak part, if you can do the footwork, please do the footwork, which is just this 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not going to get into any tals. We are just going to do this just to keep your heart rate up. Yeah? If no, that's fine. Arms, straight arms out, straight arms out. 2, 3, 4, up, down, up, nicely, up, down. Take your arms back. 2, 3, and 4. Good. All right, all ready? Let's start. Interesting song. Get ready. Big smile, big performer smile. Go.
दिल बड़ा बेईमान
Good. Twist, twist.
होता नहीं आसान इसे है समझाना बेईमान दिल बड़ा बेईमान तेरे लिए
Yay.
मेरी ना एक माना
Front.
दिल जीते या मैं जीतूं देखूंगी देखेगा तो लगे मुझसे शरारत लग गई मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई तुम्हारा प्यार लत गलत लग गई मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई तुम्हारा प्यार लत गलत लग गई
One more time. Up, stretch your arms. Switch. Like I said, heels up. You can do your heels up. Front.
रोकूं जितना उतनी बगावत हो लगता है ऐसा हाल दिल की तुम जरूरत हो रोकूं जितना उतनी बगावत हो
Switch.
लगता है ऐसा हाल दिल की तुम जरूरत हो
Good.
All right. How do you guys feel? Good?
Very
Enjoy.
good.
Very good. All right. Again, take some break, get some water because now it's feeling warmer and warmer, right? Yeah. Get some water. Thank you, all the uncles in the class, for doing such great sport and doing Kathak and Bharatanatyam. I love it. Yes. Classical dance is for everyone. Yep.
Thank you so much, Himali.
All right. So now actually all the item numbers start. Okay. We are done with classical. We are done all this sober, soft dancing.
Oh,
Now time for item numbers. Yeah. So
Okay.
bring out
I've
that.
joined for the first time. It's good.
Huh?
I've joined for the first time. It
That's great. All
is
right. Everyone, please get some water and relax a little bit. Yeah. And we'll continue. Yeah. All right. So next song which we are going to do is, let me, yeah. So this song basically it's full on Bollywood song, okay? Fun song. You know Govinda and all, Bhagwan, Dada and all, right? Those moves we are going to do. Ta 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 ta, ta, full on Bollywood tapori moves. And please be free and enjoy, okay? This time, no one is watching you. So have fun. Yeah? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can, if you are comfortable moving your feet, you can just do side to side. Yeah? 2, 3, 4. If not, arms are good. Arms are good. Yeah? Okay. Next one is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Then step out and abs, ab. Step out and shake, 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 shake. Step out, shake, shake. Step out, shake, shake. Good. Then after that, what we are going to do is just pull. During the dance, we are just going to pull 20 pounds down, imaginary weight. If you can lift a leg up a little bit for a crunch. Yeah? But not, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Just bring your arms down. Good? All ready? All right. Let's start. Let's
Good
start.
shake, good shake.
You all should do it too, okay? Be
Yeah.
free. Yes. Let's start. मजा करो, मजा करो. Dancing is fun.
उड़न छू छू मैं चिड़िया फिरंगी बलम तू तू देसी मौसमी उड़न छू छू मैं चिड़िया फिरंगी बलम तू
चिकी चिकी चबी चबी टबी टबी जानू मेरी ठुमका मारे ढोल बजे ताशा खोलू हर ताला वाला तू है मेरी चाबी चाबी आई देखो दुनिया सारी देखने तमाशा
Wow.
Doing all right?
Yeah. Good.
Get some water, get some break, and we'll continue. We have more songs coming up. All ready for it? Get some water. You are feeling okay, right? Please all settle down, normal.
Fine. Yep.
If you feel too hyper, just take a break. Sit, yeah, and watch us. Then come back. So always take a small break and come back, yeah? Okay, next song. Now this one, I'm going to go slow, okay, because this is a very fast song. But again, we are going to go really slow steps. In this, what we are going to do is up, lifting up. You know how we did the basketball hoop? Same thing, but instead of doing this, we are going to lift 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross your arms and push them down, and cross your arms and push them down, and cross your arms and push them down. Yeah, rest of them are dance moves. Just follow along. Those are not very hard. You know this song very well, but it's a remix.
मैं नशे में मुझ में नशा है हर तरफ बस धुआं ही धुआं है मैं नशे में मुझ में नशा है हर तरफ बस धुआं ही धुआं है दीवाने मेरे हर जगह यारा ऐसी अदाएं मेरी मैं गुड़ की डली मांगता है तो हजार रुपया नहीं चले मांगता है तो हजार रसिया नहीं तो मैं ये चले मुंगड़ा 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 मैं गुड़ की डली मांगता है तो हजार रसिया नहीं तो मैं ये चले मांगता है तो हजार रसिया नहीं तो मैं ये चले
Looking at me, you're driving me crazy. I'm going on easy without you. Whatever the weather, together forever. Cause you know I love you and that's true. जरा तेरा नशा मैं चख लूं आया मैं तेरी गली जरा तेरा नशा मैं चख लूं आया मैं तेरी गली
crazy, I'm going on lazy without you. Whatever the weather, together forever, cause you know I love you and that's true.
Good.
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
so much fun. अभी दूसरा पाव दुखने लगेगा कोई बात नहीं.
All
Just
right.
enjoying it.
Go get some water, please, please, please. Let's take a break. How is everyone doing? Good?
Yep.
Very good. Wow, it's already 11:42. I have so many songs, so many more songs. 11. You guys are doing so good. I can keep on going. Okay, let's do one more song and then we'll do stretching and cool down because that's very much needed. We cannot just leave with a heart rate nice and up. Yeah? Okay, again, a very good fun song. And I know you'll have fun. Let's see. Enjoy, okay? Enjoy this song. Full on energy.
उडत होते गडगड लाली गालावर आली. अनुरांगा
Doing good.
Very good.
मालिक समथिंग कभी सोचा नहीं था इस गाने के ऊपर हम डांस कर सकेंगे. Oh my God.
Very good.
You can do anything.
Fast song and then you made us do it.
Yeah. Yes.
Very good, Himali, very good.
All right. So we have like 9 more minutes. Sushma ji, is that okay? 11:55 tak, right?
Yeah.
So what we'll do?
Yeah, 11:55. Okay.
दो गाने will cool down. थोड़ा stretching, थोड़ा cool down. Yeah.
Okay.
That way you are ready for your next class or
Yeah.
yeah. So we'll do 2 songs or we'll just do 1 song. Let's see. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Lot of oxygen in. One last time. Body sway side to side, feet apart. Very relaxed.
पानी का रंग देख के पानी का रंग देख के पानी का रंग देख के अखियाँ जो हंजूर उड़ गए अखियाँ जो हंजूर उड़ गए
Leg side to side. Center. What you're going to do is hold.
माहियाना आया मेरा माहियाना आया माहियाना आया मेरा माहियाना आया रांझड़ाना आया मेरा माहियाना आया रांझड़ाना आया मेरा माहियाना
Did such a good job. Yes, I love myself.
नूर देख के
Enjoy.
ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦਾ ਨੂਰ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ
Now left over right.
ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਚੋਂ ਹੰਝੂਰ ਗਏ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਚੋਂ ਹੰਝੂਰ ਗਏ
Palm facing back and push your arms back. Shoulder blades touching each other. Yes. 2 slowly.
कमली हो गई तेरे बिना आजा रांझड़ मेरे कमली हो गई तेरे बिना आजा रांझड़ मेरे
Relax.
बारिश बरखा सब कुछ बह गई आया नी जिंद मेरे बारिश बरखा सब कुछ बह गई आया नी जिंद मेरे अखा दा
Long fingers. Turn them inside out
नूर
and up.
देख के अखा दा नूर देख के अखियाँ जो हंजूर उड़ गए अखियाँ जो हंजूर उड़ गए
Bring your shoulder blades to your
कोठी
ears.
उत्ते
Okay.
बह के
Up.
अखियाँ में लोंदे ना जाना मैं तू कभी छोड़ तेरे उत्ते मरदी प्यार तेनू कर दी
Last time.
मिलेगा तुझे ना कोई और
You're going to pull your ears down. Pull them down.
सबको
Hold.
छोड़ के
Pull them down.
तू
Hold.
भी आ सबको छोड़
Now
के
hold on your side and
मेरी
circle.
अखियाँ जो हंजूर उड़ गए अखियाँ जो
And take it back. 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 Pull it up. Look up, stretch, 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 and front. Look up and front. One last time up. And our final move of kiss and smile. Smile, smile, smile. Nice. Now what we are going to do, last one. For nice face cut, we are going to suck our cheeks in and hold. And let go. Good. One last time. Up, stretch, stretch, stretch. Open your mouth wide and bite with your molars 5 times. Close, close. Now push it in with your feet. Push, 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 push. Nice. Deep breath in and out. One more time in and out. How do you all feel? Good job.
Very
Good
good,
job.
very good. Very
Very
good.
Thank you, Himali. That
Very
was
good.
wonderful. Thank you very much.
Good job. Good job.
Yep.
Have a
Enjoy.
wonderful week.
You too.
Bye.
Thanks again. Bye.
Take